Blue response balls. Blue balls.
Where are you guys going, left?
I'm gonna go left, I guess, yeah.
Watch out, we got guys on Glades, guys on the right. Alright.
Oh, they're starting in Glades?
Yeah, they're starting.
Oh, I'm going garage then.
Alright.
I'm going garage. Alright, we'll take left. They're in Glades still. Yeah. Dude, you like hit right here. Good.
Sorry.
Woo. Yeah, one up in Glades. I'm not shooting at you. No, I got him. Still one in boathouse. Still one in rear. You hit? All right, go. I think Glades is clear. I'm going to Glades. Dude, get off the ramp real quick so I can run up there. Go down, go down. Clear, walk off. You're in the way. Got one in boathouse here. It's gonna be hard to climb up. Just cover down there. Okay. Rush, move up. They're in the first boathouse. Justin, move up, come on. Come up this ladder over here. I think we're clear. No! Balls. Hey, I think we're clear, guys. Just use caution moving up. Yeah, I think it's clear, guys. Clear.